In this video, we are going to install Yitamotor's LED light pods with their wiring harness. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. These light pods are 3.6 inches wide, 3.1 inches tall, and 2.2 inches deep. It puts out about 6,000 lumens and 60 watts per pod, 120 degree flood beam, and 15 degree spot beams. Puts out a color temperature of 6,000 kelvins. IP67 waterproof and dustproof. They have outward radial heatsink fins for efficient cooling. With the included brackets, the angle can be adjusted to suit your application. The wiring harness is compatible with any lighting accessory with up to 300 watts. Heavy duty 14 gauge wiring with waterproof thermoplastic PVC jacket. This 9-foot wiring harness is equipped with a 25 amp blade fuse, a 12 volt 40 amp relay, and an illuminated on and off switch. If you're interested in these products, I'm gonna leave a product link in the description below. So you can check out my other video on how I mounted these nightlight brackets. Okay? Next, I want to go ahead and position these lightings to make sure I got the right angle before I tighten this nut here. I'm gonna go ahead and set it like so, and then angle it. I think that's about right. Okay. Then I want to go ahead and tighten this. Now that I have the position right, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the light onto the bracket. Then you want to get your washer, put that in, then your nut. That's how it looks bolted in. I did get it mounted, and do keep in mind I did extend the wires. Now we'll do the other side. Now we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna align it, make sure I position it how I want it. Again, I extended the wires. The battery is this side, so I want to make sure the wires reach up to here. We have the hood propped to its highest point. As you can see, the light does not hit the windshield or the wiper blade. Passenger side. And the driver's side. Here's how I did the wiring. I went ahead and ran it up under the liner, back down. I went ahead and zip tied together so it doesn't go anywhere, and then through here. Here's the two wiring. Then I'm gonna connect these two together. I connected the two lights together. Now we're gonna move on to the wiring harness. We're gonna go ahead and remove this air box, which gives us access to the battery terminals. We're gonna go ahead and grab our wiring harness and sort it out. This is gonna connect to the two lights. This will connect to your battery terminals, positive and negative. And this is gonna go to the inside of your car, which is your switch. I bundled, zip tied all the excess wire, and I'm gonna hide them in here. That's where I'm gonna place him. I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie it to this so it doesn't wobble around. Now I'm gonna secure this relay to this bolt. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery terminals, the negative and the positive. Positive, negative, all connected. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug the lights in. I'm gonna go ahead and put back the air box. So the next step is to run this switch through the firewall. I find it difficult because this harness is too big. So for now, I'm gonna go ahead and run it through the fender and into the vehicle. Okay, so I got everything wired from here, under the liner, down here. Everything's hidden behind this fender. Here's your relay and to the battery. The switch goes under this fender, and for now this is where I place the switch temporarily until I figure out how I can wire it through the firewall. Final product after installation. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Temporary switch location on. Looks bright. This is during the day. Later on, I'll give you a night shot. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll create more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.